Welcome back to Acrylic Arts Academy. Today, we're diving into the festive spirit with a holiday-themed tutorial on painting a charming gingerbread house. You'll learn how to create a cozy winter scene with snowy landscapes, candy decorations, and a glowing Christmas tree. Here's the list of materials you'll need today. Pause here to gather these items, and return when ready. The materials list is also in the description below. To begin, squeeze a few drops of Ultramarine Blue, Cerulean Blue, and Titanium White onto your canvas. Blend these colors using horizontal strokes with a wet, flat brush to create a smooth, wintry sky. Don't rush this step, enjoy the process of blending and creating a serene background. Take your time with this step, patience now will set you up for success later. Next, sketch a rough outline of the gingerbread house using a small flat brush. Mix burnt umber and yellow ochre to create a warm, cookie-like shade and fill the house. Already, it's starting to look delicious. Clean your brush and paint the snowy ground beneath the house with white and cerulean blue, blending gently for a frosty effect. Use titanium white and a fine brush for the icing on the roof. Create dripping patterns to mimic frosting. Don't worry if it's not perfect, the charm is in the imperfections. Then, use a small round brush to paint a candy cane striped door with white and crimson red. Apply some streaky golden yellow in straight vertical lines to make the gingerbread house's texture interesting. Take some time to add white to the sides of the house and touch up the details of the frosting on the roof. Paint a circular window above the door in white and surround it with colorful orbs in shades of yellow, turquoise, orange, purple, light green, and magenta. Outline the window and door with black to add depth. For an extra treat, paint marshmallow-like chimneys in red and white. Before we continue, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to hit the bell icon to be notified of all our upcoming tutorials. Next, let's work on the snowy land. Use thick white paint to add icing-like texture to the ground. Adjust the shape as needed for a natural, snowy effect. Now, create a Christmas tree by mixing sap green and light green. Start at the top and paint short diagonal strokes, layering as you move downward. Add depth with darker green in the shaded areas and lighter green highlights on the tips. The tree is coming to life. On the other side of the house, paint candy canes by starting with a C shape for the top and extending a straight line downward. Use a detailing brush to add red stripes. For the snowy ground, sprinkle in gumdrops by painting small, colorful shapes and scatter lines in vibrant hues like red, yellow, blue, and orange. To complete the scene, add snowfall in the sky using small white dots and fluffy cotton ball-like shapes. This step brings everything together, making the gingerbread house look nestled in a magical winter wonderland. Don't forget to add finishing details, like fallen snow around the gumdrops and candy canes. If you love this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe for more acrylic painting ideas. By hitting the bell icon, you'll never miss a video and will stay inspired to create along with us. Thank you for painting with us today. To learn more about what we offer artists like you, visit acrylicartsacademy.com.